Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Finding the oldest emails in your Gmail inbox can seem tricky, especially if you have thousands of messages spanning many years. You want to jump straight to the very first emails you ever received, or just get to the end of your inbox list quickly and efficiently. The simplest and most direct way to accomplish this is by utilizing Gmail's built-in navigation tools. Gmail's default view always presents your newest messages at the top. Manually scrolling down through countless pages can be incredibly frustrating and time-consuming, as it only loads more messages incrementally. Instead of endless scrolling, look for the specific navigation controls designed for this purpose. These controls are typically located in two places, either above your email list, often found near the newer and older text links, or sometimes replicated below the list as well. Within these controls, you will clearly see page numbers and, crucially, a distinct button or link explicitly labeled Oldest. Clicking this Oldest option is your absolute fastest path to your inbox's historical beginning. It will instantly transport you to the very last page of your primary inbox, immediately displaying the earliest emails you have stored. This clever shortcut completely bypasses the need for tedious manual scrolling through potentially thousands of messages and years of communication. It's a quick, single-click solution specifically designed to help you rapidly access those long-forgotten conversations, important historical data, or just satisfy your curiosity about your Gmail journey, all without any delay.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.